Testing, testing. Hello, hi. Um, Hi. Good morning or other times of day, which are possible, can happen. Um, so I'm just like going over what I did last week because I'm realizing I was supposed to run a model and then it crashed on me because I think it had to do with my credit running out. See? So basically I'm back to zero. I can check Hugging Face, but I don't think it's there. Oh, wow. عليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته. السلام عليك Zal. Yeah. So I feel like changing the direction of the stream because yeah, I feel like going over the Kaggle competition that I saw the other day because first I didn't really have time to look at it, and second I think I know nothing about it. So if I know a little bit about it, I'll know if it's something that I should think about trying or not. Because like if it's super out of my league, then why should I even try it? So I feel like just even changing the title of this stream, because I feel like I need to run this before I move forward, even though I could watch the lectures. So let's do that for a tiny bit. Yes. So the title would be would it be like learning Kaggle? Learning about Kaggle competitions? Competition. Wow, that's not easy to spell. Competition. There we go. Stream notification block tagging everyone. Oh, darn it! I forgot to remove that. Sorry. Yeah, that was my point. Yes, I'm supposed to update it. Yeah. Okay. Sure. Let's go to Discord. And the only other thing that I read, yes, trust the site, is that it is, I think it was in rules where it says team size is max is 5. So I was like, okay, there's limit. Otherwise, yeah, either there's not enough information. Like, do people just write their own code? Is that how it goes? Is there nothing to start off with? You know? Okay. Did I update it? No, not yet. Update all titles. Yay, ooh, nice. Okay, so yes, you're right. There are ones where teams have shared, but yeah, I suppose we could start there. So this competition invites you, let's zoom in just a bit, to fine-tune Gemma 2 for a specific language or cultural context by creating clear, easy to follow notebooks You'll empower others to learn and contribute to the development of language models for diverse communities. Yes, some Google talks that they have shared on fine-tuning Gemma for languages, like videos by talks. I mean, this is like not enough information, but I'll just read it. With over 7,000 languages and countless cultural differences, AI has the potential to foster global understanding in a step towards broader linguistic inclusion. We are launching a Kaggle competition focused on adapting Gemma to Google's open model family. Is that GitHub? No. This is the model on Kaggle. We are limited by the list of languages, but we can choose one that makes sense. Right. For 73 eligible languages, these languages were selected to represent a diverse range and to align with expertise for judging panel for effective evaluation. The model is also on Hugging Face. Okay, I see. Our initial focus on these languages will allow us to establish a robust foundation of techniques and resources that will later enable us to support under-resourced languages. It's likely easy to add in Google Colab. Hopefully, probably. Yeah. Yeah. And for the data, I'm thinking like Wikipedia. Where else do you get a lot of data? I mean, there are probably better places, but like it's a good place to start. You're challenged to create notebooks that demonstrate the complete process of adapting Gemma to, including, the thing is, they expect you to create and curate data, which is a lot of work. Like the competition is a lot of work. No wonder it's 3 months. Oh my god, that scared me. Hi. It was really loud.
Abdul9796 just followed. CL welcomes you.
Hi, Abdul. I'm guessing Abdullah. Or is it just Abdul? I don't know. Welcome. Thank you. That scared me. So how you explain how you crafted or curated the data set for fine tuning. This includes details about data sources, processing steps, and any considerations related to data quality and cultural sensitivity. That's probably not easy. Okay. Quality, Wikipedia is pretty good. Cultural sensitivity, that one needs a lot of expert knowledge, I suppose. They had just asked about your content on Discord. Oh, cool. I got a notification, but I didn't look at it. Yeah, there are some notifications that I have not looked at yet. Fine-tuning Gemma. Provide a detailed explanation of your fine-tuning approach, including hyperparameter choices. I don't know what that means. Training procedure and any techniques used to enhance performance. Huge shot prompting. Yeah, I was thinking RAG, but I have no idea how to do that. Inference and evaluation. Demonstrate how to run inference on your fine-tuned model and discuss how you evaluated its performance. How does one evaluate what? Like even the current LLMs, that they're not easy to evaluate. Multiple mentions for further discussion there too. Yeah. I like competitions. It's just not easy. Who said they would be? Your notebooks should be designed to be easily understood and replicated by others. Okay, so they're expecting people to teach each other how to work on this, enabling them to adapt Gemma 2 for even more languages and cultural contexts. Consider exploring areas like language fluency. What does that mean? Fine-tune Gemma to generate fluent and accurate text in the target language, potentially for tasks like translation, dialogue generation, or storytelling. Like, that's easy. Wow. Literary tradition. I like that. Adapt Gemma for generating or analyzing poetry. Oh my god, Persian poetry is magic. If we can build another, what's his name? The most famous Persian poet. Why did I forget his name? Companies do things and likely expect get $1 million worth of IP for, I think it's 300K, not 200K, but I get what you mean. Yeah, this is like, this is smart cheating. Prize money is written somewhere around here, which totals something. And then fine-tune Gemma to understand and process historical documents or scripts. So you need to publish the model on Kaggle models. Okay, so looks like so much work. I agree with you. Ready to contribute. What, like, where it would not be too much work is you replicate someone else's work and you just change the data part. I think that would be easier. Oh, wow. Good point. That it's less. In my brain, I thought it was twice as much. Thank you for rounding up for admin costs as well. Right. So it started almost a month ago. Deadline is mid-January. And yeah. Okay. Organizers reserve the right to update contest timeline if they deem it necessary. Morning Star option 89. Yes, the poet I was thinking about is Rumi, obviously. I forgot his name. Yeah, like, hello, hi, welcome, first time chatter. Yeah, so if Rumi's, but I don't think that we can just give all of Rumi's poems to Gemma and it can absorb everything. I think it would be like give it a lot of Persian data plus Rumi's poems. So yes, that we noted that. The list of languages are 73. If necessary, due to size constraints, you may tune your model outside of Kaggle notebooks as long as the notebook explains how it's done. Okay. We should know how the data set is done. Model should be published. There should be easy inference. Submission was constant with the guideline. Okay. It should topical. Should be open, and the language is listed. Are these what was that? Okay. Points. Okay. Instructions. Okay. Huh? Oh, what is that? Oh, you submit using Google Forms. All right. So cool. And then follow the guidelines as closely as possible to avoid working outside of the guidelines. make it obvious what you did, why you did it, and what category you are submitting to. Make it as easy as possible for the graders to understand what you're doing, why you did a good job. Group work for something like this would turn into like university group work. After an initial start, 1% ends up carrying it. Anyway, I feel it's just the way things with very loose coordination. Maybe. It doesn't have to be group work. So these are the list of languages. Yeah. So 73 languages, and it's actually a really good list. Languages that I can recognize, not even speak, but recognize. We have English. Only one English? No British English? Okay, that's sad. We have Arabic. And then, oh, there is British English. Okay. And then I recognize Turkish, not that I know it. Korean, I suppose. And then I saw Persian, because why is it not alphabetical? Like, there is Persian. It's giving me a hard time. Yeah, you're right. It's fine. I'm fine with that. It's all right. It's not a exhaustive list, but really, like, Urdu is a cool one. No Australian English as well. Yeah, they are not being very inclusive, but it's fine. We don't expect. What is that? What's that? Oh, it's citation. I thought it's okay. So when you go to data, there is no data set, except for this. I'm not signed in. Oh, come on. Thought I was. Give me a second. I need to sign in. There we go. Okay, that wasn't that hard. I suppose join the competition. Not really. 1 account per participant. Okay. Oh, sure. I understand. Didn't we just read that? Oh, wow. You must create notebook that's public, and then publish the model, collaborate, submit via Google form, eligibility criteria, evaluation, yada yada. Got it. Thanks. Here's the code. I'm just gonna filter the word Wikipedia. Cool. Free. That's nice. No? Why do this come up? I guess the text files, like when a contract gives you your own copy of contract for reference. Good point. Ooh, you have no idea how much I'm interested in religious text that's used in NLP. Like this one's Bible, because like I suppose. Oh my God, there is a data set called Pi Bible. Is that a data set? Wow. But the thing is, yeah, this thing here. No? Huh. It's all yours, really? Anyway, there's this many languages because of the Bible. I once saw a poster that was using the Bible for translation, and I was like, that's pretty smart. It's not the easiest language, but also it's pretty smart. Yeah. How do these people do this? Using blue because it's translation. Got it. Okay. Let me remove that. And then these are thumbs up, right? So, based on public score, we have that. Oh, wow. In notebooks by who? Huh. This is also copied from someone? But this is translation. Oh, okay, that's not free. See, one of the things that's not making me happy is that they expect you to use your own resources for training, which costs a lot. Like, at least have some help. Laura? So we are loading Gemma. And then what are we doing with it? Loading the dataset. This is like a conversation. Because I see like start of turn, end of turn. So they're using LoRa fine-tuning, which I honestly don't really know how it's done, but something's happening. So I'm like, okay, let's try and understand it. Enable LoRa for the model and set LoRa rank to 4. Cool. Limit the input sequence length to control memory usage. Nice. This is the limit token. Use Atom W, where here's the optimizer. Layer norm and bias terms from decay. Okay. Exclude from weight decay. And then you just go at it. Compile. You can say compile. Keras, is that what I saw? Now what? Save for each epoch. Okay, so this is the training. Well, that's long. Oh, there we go. So that's something. Use the code below if you share LoRa weights. It's much more lightweight than model file themselves. For instance, a LoRa rank 4 weight for a 10 GB model might be a few megabytes. To loading LoRa, okay. And then these are questions and outputs. And then more testing inference. Email input. Ah, this is an email. That's it. I mean, cool. That's really cool. You can understand the code. That's good. But oh wow, that's really fast. Is that for real? The runtime? Oh, you can't see it. That's very fast. What do people ask? Data set. Where did you get the data? Oh wow, they created fictional Korean bakery email from customer. 20 pairs? That's not much. Yeah, one of the cool things is that this is easy to understand. And and it is fine-tuning it for spoken language. Like, can this just be like reused? Ah, oh, okay, got it. Okay, so this is the original version. This is the updated version. Hi, hello, Mr. Shivam. Hi. That one's not English, so I won't be able to understand it. This is, I'm guessing, an update of the thing that was upstairs. This is Laura. Cultural greetings. Huh. Okay, that's a good title. All you need is high quality data set. I agree with you. Web scraping. Tarot? Eeh. Ooh, Q&A YouTube videos. That's interesting. Ooh, hey, Urdu. I like this. I'm gonna look at this one. That's Arabic. Bible, Swahili. Using Hugging Face. I like Hugging Face. Laura again. Cool. Oh wow. This is very interesting and has a really high thumbs up, I guess. Is that a thumbs up or is that a score? I do not understand. Votes. It is thumbs up. Okay. But look at that. We have poetry. Okay, I'm gonna steal one of these poetries and I just opened too many. Let's look at one by one. Oh. Okay, you need to complete the setup instructions. Google DeepMind dropped a paper on shaving Gemma from 2 billion down to 1 billion a few days ago. Ooh, wow. If they publish the model, I don't know, it might be worth using as a smaller model to try and work with reduced training compute. Like for testing, right? Like just for, thank you. That would be great. So this is the normal Gemma model, but if DeepMind worked on it, we go, wait, we can't? Gemma who? Gemma itself or Gemma 2 or does it have a different name? Or I'm proving how hard the changes might make it to train. Yeah, good point. Version 3, when was it updated? Tubi, still Tubi. Ooh, 7B. Oh, I'm just thinking like, did they update it here as well? But okay, probably not. Spoken language. Is this almost the same? Oh, wait, why is this Korean? Uh-oh, this is just a copy paste? What is happening? Thank you. In the discussion, they say use any Gemma variant. Ah. Okay, load, Laura. This is literally a copy and paste. Okay. English to Urdu. Okay. I see NumPy, I see pandas. So training, validation. Okay. Packages, import packages, dataset prep. What is happening? Loading the model. This is cute. Design the prompt using tokenizer chat template. User thing. Okay. DeepMind Gemma paper is this name. Using LoRa. Wow. I don't know when they might share the code or the data, or if they have. 16 hours ago? 1 day ago? Oh. This is 2 days ago. Okay. 28th. They would say if they have shared it, right? Most of the time they're like, this is a link to our... Okay, you know what? I'm not jealous. I am not jealous. Anyone that works at KAIST, I am jealous. KAIST is a university, by the way. I'm not jealous. Okay. Okay. So expensive to deploy, size and cost, effectiveness is fairly limited. Layer trying as a form of parameter sharing in transformers, introduce novel method for converting existing LLM into smaller recursive transformer. What is parameters across layers with minimal cost of loss of performance. Efficiently initialized from retrained transformers, but only use a single block of unique layers that is then repeated multiple times. A loop uses a single block of unique layers. Improve performance by introducing relaxed recursive transformer that add flexibility to layer trying, constrained via depth-wise low-rank adaptation modules, preserve the compactness of the overall model. Recursive Gemma 1B outperform smaller size vanilla pre-trained model, tiny llama and Pythia. Knowledge distillation baseline and can even recover most performance. Okay, so it doesn't match the full-size model, but it's doing a pretty good job and is doing a better job of other smaller sized ones. Nice. Interesting. This is preprint. Wow, it's fresh. It's yesterday. Meta's 125 million, not billion. Mobile LM just dropped their model weights and code, and it's getting more interest at the moment than that paper on Reddit, even though the paper was on archive since February. Huh. Wow. I have not heard of that one. Metas. Okay. Huh. Which is it Reddit slash like machine learning? Okay. This is translation, right? Which I am currently not interested in, but this is very interesting. I'm having a hard time understanding this one. Oh. Yeah. Hmm. Mobile LM paper has some similarities to the DeepMind paper, like running layers multiple times. That was new to me. Just reading about it quickly. I mean, I really don't know anything, but running a layer multiple time, wouldn't that? I don't know what is there to overfit, but wouldn't that somehow not help? I guess it does help otherwise. Yeah. Okay. I don't know why, but the the cap of my coffee tumbler is broken. Don't know if I did it on purpose. I don't remember breaking it. This is the second head I've destroyed. The body's fine. I've had it since 2018, I think. So it's a lot of memories. Okay. Whoever you are, I agree with you. Too many people are using KRS and not enough Hugging Face. I like Hugging Face. Really? Doesn't offer same features found in more established Hugging Face transformers? Oh, hi, D-Money. Interesting name. Hello. It doesn't feel like it should help. I agree with you. It's been a technique for a few years, but somehow it does. Machine learning, like that's a definition of machine learning. Doesn't feel like it should help, but it does. Yeah. I really like this book I'm reading / was reading, and I should continue reading, called The Alignment Problem, even though it's like, it was published 2020, I think. But it's a good history, like looking back at history. But like I was telling my sister about it, and I was saying there are models that could not recognize, for example, like they can recognize a white man much easier than a black woman, because the book says a model like Microsoft or something made by IBM. Don't know which one it is, but I'm just like trying to remember. Makes the mistake is 0.03 if it's white male, and like 34% if it's black woman, female. And my sister was like, when is that? And I think it's like 2016, 2017, or 2018. She's like, oh my God, that's way too recent. So it's not that much of a history, but it's both recent, and it goes back to like 50s. So it's very interesting. Yeah, tangent. If you think of non-linearity like ReLU being decision recusing recusing of the same layer, reusing or recursion in the same layer lets you make different decisions. I don't know. Okay, so this is Laura Q Laura. I'm oh, I think an ad started. My question is, if I go back here, I see, well, we can't see from the title actually, but I see a lot of Laura and not enough rag. Those are both ways of like giving new data, right? To an established model. Using Hindi English data from this is data set. Got it. Okay. How to access Gemma model from Hugging Face. Okay. Account, agree, and then token. Okay. We're using this. This is the config. Dataset path. Rag alone count. I have no idea. You need to find tune Gemma for the contest, right? I really don't know. It does say fine tuning, yes, like the title. But if based on the context, language fluency, tradition, historical text, I guess RAG is like, look at this. I don't know. The way I see it, it's used to update the information of a already established, really huge, not easy fine-tunable model. Wouldn't that, even if it doesn't mean fine-tuning, if it helps update the information, I don't know. You can fine-tune it better to better use RAG, but just giving Gemma RAG with code doesn't seem to fit understanding of what's wanted. I see what you mean by what's wanted, but I also, I'm saying if try and work, I don't know if they will shut it down, but yeah, everybody's using, like a prompting technique. Sort of. Like the way I see it is like, here, look at this information as well. Where you have a huge book to look at, but also a few pages on the side to help you update your information. I think for this context, I think I'm not a judge, but I think both should be fine if it accomplishes the task. It might not be the intended, what's intended, but sorry, I can't speak. Yeah. Anyway. Okay. What is that? Task type. Where's Laura config coming from? Oh, there it is. From this. PEFT. Oh, hi, Oliver. What's up? We are knee deep in this, and I think my approach would be just trying to copy a few people's methods using different data. Like that is as far as much energy that I can give, because it takes a lot of time. So I think mostly what I would do is like, whose should we like duplicate, and what data should we use for it? I think that's pretty good. I like this one because it's using Hugging Face. That's the only reason why I like it. End of speech. Stopping, okay. Query. Could you please translate? I am feeling sleepy. I'm going to sleep. Answer. I don't see answer. Oh, in evaluation rhetoric, rubrics. Sorry again. It does say technical approach made efficient use of strategies such as few shot. See, hey, yeah, okay, I saw rag somewhere. Okay, yeah, it implies that rag is a good entry. Woohoo! Yeah, and or fine tuning. Yay! I mean, I really don't know how to do it, so I'm not like saying it should be done that way. Because yeah, sometimes methods that may not seem like it might seem counterintuitive or just not the fit might work. All you need is time and resources, which is not something that a lot of people have. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Data set. Translation. There is like a lot of translation data sets on Hugging Face. Like we can just reproduce this easily. I like this one. Are we using any validation? Omo, how? Wait, what is 100? Where did this 100 come from? I think a LoRa on 2B is probably achievable with a. Really? That would be cool. I need to learn about LoRa and RAG because they sound cool. How to use them. I think both Colab and even Kaggle provide enough resources for you to run something that probably takes a few minutes on a normal, not minutes, like maybe hours on a, I don't know, run of the mill GPU. And here it might take a few days, which is fine. Like it's fine. Okay, plotting. User plot. I want to see evaluation. Oh, well, did am I lost or is there no evaluation? It's like blue score is what we need. This is translation. Okay, I like this one because it's using Hugging Face. I'm gonna flag this as something we can use. Poetry. In case I missed it. No, I didn't miss it. Thank you. Chinese poems. Where is that? Where's the data? Show me the data input. Where's the input? LoRa is lowering like patch to a layer in a model. So the only part of like the model that needs to have such as atom weights and stuff is very small subset of the full model. Low rank. Yeah. Okay. Dating a subsection. What are the tags? Describe style of the poem. Ah, okay, that's not easy. I don't know how to describe Rumi's poems. Font. Oh, that's nice. Top styles. Lines. This is really serious. TPU, huh? Low rank as in a sparse matrix or tensor that approximates a full matrix or tensor. How would a sparse matrix approximate a full matrix? Are we talking about by approximation? What do you mean? You don't have to answer. I can look it up later. Oh, fails on the 2B, so it works on the 9B. Wow. That's why they need TPU. This is, oh, hi Laura. Laura's here. Rank 8. Huge rabbit hole. Okay. Millions of papers of dense math and active research. Cool. Okay. Laura, epochs. One epoch, batch size of a result twice, commented on second time. Huh. Well, honestly, this is really well documented. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is this? I'm sorry. What is this? Okay. This is not doing a great job. The way I see it, it's just a duplicate. Instruction. Or see you soon. This is. Okay. Many things in ML, it's validating just to accept that it kind of works. I will do that. I didn't see the input file. Oh, there it is, dataset. Poems. Whoa! 300,000 online per poem. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, another poetry generation one. Using this dataset. What is that? I see unsloth multiple times now. Has to be something. Weights and biases. Cool. I'm tired. Okay. Title, poet. I like this prompt design that I see. Learning rate. Scheduler. Okay. Pushing the model back where? Push to hub? This is Hugging Face. My question is, does this work? Is that inference? That is inference. How do you generate those charts? I do not generate charts, but Weights and Biases is a website. And like it's called W&B. And Franklin, you plug in your training and it does, it updates itself. So yeah, you have your key, and somewhere in your training you say use weights and biases. Let's see where that is. See, report 2. This is unsloth args, but it can be done in, like, I've done it in Hugging Face as well. Yeah, I've mostly used Hugging Face. Unsloth seems worth a look. Their thing is custom code for like training and inference that runs better. I love things that work with custom things. Okay, I like this one too. It seems very straightforward. One of them was translation. One of them is poems. I also like the first one, which I will go back to. What is this? Oh, this is Gemma. First one being the Korean guy's thing. That was pinned. Code? No, code, not data. This one, spoken language thing. It's pretty long, but also very understand. 10 hours ago, yay. ML summarization for Russian. Yeah. So, yep, that's it. These are the ones that I feel like I like, these 3 ones. And then next thing would be looking at data, which Kaggle has data sets, don't they? Let's see what's out there. Like if I'm sure they have Wikipedia, right? They have to. Wikibooks, that's pretty good. Wikipedia plain text, how much? 13, is this everything? Wiki art. They also, I think, were active in the Gemma 2 release at figuring out some big issues people are experiencing, even with the official release stuff. Unsloth? That's cool. 2023. Parakit. How do I know what's in there? Where, why? Hold up. A, B, C, D? That's per... Wow. Okay. How could I filter by language? And then another thing I wanted to search for is like Persian poem. Wait, that's not how you write poem? Ooh, it's the other way around. See? Poems by Rumi. Like, I expected that to be available, but it's probably very small. How many poems are there? 88. Translated poems? Wait, this is in English? Very little. Yeah, very small. We go to Hugging Face. Let's go to Hugging Face. And then I am not following anyone. Data sets. And then like if I search for Wikipedia, all the languages, 300 languages. Wow. There is the size. This is what I was looking for. And then what else? Can you filter by language? You should. That should be possible, right? No? Please. It's not possible? How does that make sense? I see title, I see text. And then URL. I suppose that helps. This AB. What does AB mean? Are these languages? These are languages. Yay, we did it. Okay. What else? Poem? Rumi? Not Rumi? Not Rumi. Maybe? Persian poem. People, write a card. Anyway. Cool. I think they're called something other than languages, Wikipedia, such as Simple English. What is Hugging Face for? That's a good question, Franklin. Hugging Face is Hugging Face. Hugging Face. Here you go. Can you see it? It's an American company. Come on, that's not a good. It's a website where you can where people, there it is. It's an AI platform and supporting community to implement machine learning models. You can upload models, you can use other people's models. It's also like a platform where you can use their tools to do stuff. It's like, and also you can host your models there, like put your models just like you do with GitHub, and data sets as well. It's not exactly like GitHub, but because I don't think GitHub, I really don't know, honestly. Yeah, like they are similar, but not really, because Hugging Face is also a library you can use to, like Transformers library. There's stuff like that. Sorry, my answer is not good, but I'm trying. Yeah, until yesterday, I didn't know what Kaggle is used for. Even Hugging Face, honestly. And by yesterday, I do mean a few months ago, but you know what I mean. So yeah, that's it. My energy is out. I should answer those Discord things. Anything else? I'm out. Ooh. I know it's not like end of stream time, but my energy is depleted more than usual. Yeah, we can think about how we can do this. Like my plan is just to replicate what other people did. Nothing else. I don't have time nor the energy to come up with new things. So I should have like my expectation. Did you pick a language? I did. Oh, thank you, Franklin. Thank you for saying that you understand, even if it's not the case. I'm not saying you don't understand. I'm saying I didn't explain it well. Yes. Let me go back to the other. There we go. Did I pick a language? Does it matter? Because like I'm leaning towards like Persian or Urdu or something that I could think about. I think Persian would be the easiest, but Um, we can decide on that later. It can be a group thing. Will you be streaming tomorrow again? Yes, most likely, highly likely. My stream schedule is Friday and Saturday. Yeah, and it's a Friday right now. I normally don't stream about Kaggle competitions. I stream about learning NLP, but this one's something on my mind, so we'll probably continue the conversation on Discord, and we'll probably need to have a call about it. So we'll see. We'll see. And if we fail, that is a part of the thing, the learning. Okay. I will try to run this so that something is ready by tomorrow so that I can continue the learning here. Otherwise, yeah, probably gonna go watch something fun to get some energy back. Thank you so much for being here, and for answering my questions. I hope to always learn from you, and like, because that's what I'm doing. And I hope somehow you also learn, if not from me, then from my mistakes. Thank you so much for being here, Coffee and Franklin, and all the other nice people that commented, chatted around. Yeah. Okay. My brain is a little bit all over the place. So thanks again for being here. I'm gonna end the stream. If there's anything else, let me know. Yeah. Ending the stream in 5, 4, 3,